Crystal, Fred, Nikki, Tinker, Rolo, Jaxie, Kimiko, BB, Baby Girl, Buggy Boo, Paprika, Petey, Rhonda, Sweetie, Yaya, Riddles. Riddles is the last one, I think. I'm a foster parent to the dogs that we rescue out of Pima Animal Care Center, who are on their 11th hour, the euthanasia list. So we rescue them before they're put to sleep. Yeah, 17 of them. 10 of them on my bed at night. You got 17, you're not sane. Actually, it saved my sanity. My husband passed away a few years back, and that's how I got into it, really. It filled the void. We've had 77 dogs adopted this year. So that's at PetSmart and off the website. PetSmart has a charity. So for every dog we get adopted, we get a small donation from them. We go to PetSmart. One we're at currently is at Elkhorn Mall. And we bring the dogs with us, and hopefully they get adopted there. You feel good. It's one of the best feelings you can have, that you saved this dog and got it healthy, and now it's found its forever home. There are times you do cry, because you do come attached to them. So that's kind of, it gets kind of hard. No, it's just so rewarding how much of them they come up and give you all the love and show their appreciation that they're not, that you're there for them and showing them love. Lots of love. Enjoy it.